Good morning. Today is the final day of Deloitte's Ride Across Britain. We are heading to John O'Groats. I can't even believe I'm saying it. I'm so excited that this is just... We are nearly there. We are so nearly there. 160k to get there. Not that much climbing. Some little short, steep little monkeys, but it's going to be amazing. I'm feeling so excited. My body feels good. Mentally, I feel good. The weather is dry. It was raining the night, so I'm just so excited to get going. So let's go on our final start of a whole 9 days. It's quite bittersweet. It's kind of sad, but equally exciting to get to John O'Groats. It's just been incredible. So yeah, let's go. Quite excited to be seeing this sign, John O'Groats, 55 miles, so I'm just really, I can't believe it, the weather, it's just turning really nice. It was so windy back there, but blue skies ahead, John O'Groats, 55 miles, I think it's going to be good. It's going to be real good. I think these guys are stopping for a picture as well. And it started to rain, but that headwind that I was on about before was a tailwind the whole way. Like, it was really pushing us up the hills. I'm going to go because it's raining. But yeah, it's about 50k left. Feeling really good. Feeling really strong. Legs good. Head's good. A bit rainy, but we have been so lucky with the weather. We cannot complain. So I'm going to go and put this away now. Have something to eat. And then head on to John O'Groats. I can't believe we're nearly there. We made it. We're at John O'Groats. God, it's so windy. Do you know this wind? It was tailwind all the way back, which was just, we went so fast. I didn't expect to be back this quickly, so it is just, oh, it was just the best ride. Just the best ride. Best weather. And I guess it was a bit of an anticlimax because like everyone's just getting a picture and going home. But having it's just amazing. I'll chat more about it later on, but yeah, I'm just so happy. So happy, made it round, feeling good. And I'm gonna go get some more clothes on because it is freezing! minute now just to like put my bike away and get the picture taken. And it's not even really sinking in. It's just been the most amazing experience and met some amazing people, laughed so much. There's so many funny things that I just can't even begin to describe and explain. They were just such funny moments, and I'm just so grateful to have had this experience and shared it all with you every day. And just such a great, well organised, fun, exciting, long, beautiful countryside. Just, I can't even, you can see I'm just beaming about it. And Scotland was the best day. That was a lot, hands down the best. So I will definitely be coming back to Scotland. So let me know if you're going to be taking part next year, and yeah, I'll see you next time. That's a little bye.